Hi everyone, Mr. Fitzgerald here. I wanted to quickly talk about one of the questions that we're going to see a little bit more as we continue on with fractions. We're talking about taking a number, in this case 24, and then splitting it up and finding what 1/8 of 24 would be. The way that we did it in class would be to take that number 24 and think about it as a fraction, okay, a fraction block, and think about how many pieces we need to break that 24 up into. In this case, my denominator is 8, so that's how many equal pieces there will be. So when we do eighths, we split it in half first, and then we take our halves and we turn those into fourths, and then we take our fourths and we turn those into eighths. And you can do this in any way possible. And then we want to think to ourselves, okay, we have 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces, and we need to split them equally up. How many of the 24 would go in 8? Well, we do 24 divided by 8, which is 3. So then in each space, we can have 3, in this case, pieces of candy. The question's asking how much is 1/8. So we would take our pencil, we would circle one of the eighths, and it would be 3 pieces of candy. And that's pretty simple. We could also do it another way. If we wanted to take a look and say, maybe we wanted to say, instead of using 24, we want to say, I don't know, 18. We can look at 18. And when we look at 18, we can do it the same exact way. And let's say we want to give away 1/3 of the candy. We can then make our fraction bar, and we look at 1/3. Okay, we look at 1/3. We want to say, how many equal pieces does there need to be? Well, there needs to be 3 equal pieces. There's our 3 equal pieces in our fraction bar. We then say 18 divided by 3, which we know is 6. Okay, so each piece would be 6. It would be one each piece of 3 would be 6 pieces of candy. Final answer would be 6 pieces because we're looking for one of those 3. Would be 6 pieces. Alrighty, thank you.